स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है पार्टिकल इज रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम ए हाइट h at certain height its kinetic energy is 2 times of its potential energy. ओके मतलब एक जो टोटल हाइट है h at some point the kinetic energy becomes double. Okay, so height and speed of the particle at that instant. Okay, so let's draw that this is the tower, okay, at this ground level, and the body is projected downwards. Okay, so if we say that this is the point, this is the point A. Okay, so at A point हम लोग को पहले करना पड़ेगा क्या, at point A what we have to do that, okay, और भी clearly हम लोग draw अगर करें इस image को, that will be like that this is the ground level and the body is projected downwards from this level. So this is the total height h. Okay, so at initially that u is 0 initial velocity, and question में क्या कहा गया है that at certain point its kinetic energy is 2 times of its potential energy. एक पॉइंट में आके उसका जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हो रहा है that is kinetic energy उसका पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डबल हो रहा है. Let's assume at this point. Okay, so this is the from ground h. So from ground h point that this relation satisfies, that is kinetic energy is 2 times of its potential energy at this point. Okay, at this point. So now as we know that at this point, that means जहाँ से फेंका गया है, at this point what is the total energy? The total energy is equal to, at this point there is no kinetic energy because the body is at rest, so kinetic energy will be 0 and potential energy will be from ground h, so that will be mgh. So this will be the total energy, that is mgh. Okay, at this point मतलब जहाँ से फेंका गया है. So now एक कंडीशन दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में, दैट्स काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज 2 टाइम्स ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ओके, सो as we rewrite this, the kinetic energy is 2 times of potential energy. Okay, so we know that total energy equal to always potential energy plus of kinetic energy at any point. Okay, at any point total energy is potential energy plus kinetic energy, इन दोनों का सम होता है total energy. So at this point, okay, at this point from the ground h, the total energy what will be? The total energy will be mgh, the total energy, equal to potential energy plus of kinetic energy. So if we replace the value of kinetic energy, this will be 2 times of potential energy, so it will be come out to be mgh will be equal to 3 times of potential energy. So from here if we find the value of potential energy, that will be like mgh by 3. okay, so इस वैल्यू को अगर हम लोग रीअरेंज करते हैं mgh by 3 to looks like this is a value of h. okay, let's assume this is h dot. So this part h by 3 resembles that this is h height. So at what height क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है, the height and speed at that instant, that means the value of h, this will be the value of h dot. okay, हम लोग अगर h dot पकड़ लेते हैं, so this will be h by 3. So our height from ground level h dot, that will be equal to h by 3, total height का 1/3. At this point the kinetic energy will be 2 times of potential energy. अब हम लोग का सेकेंड पार्ट का आंसर निकालना पड़ेगा, द स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल एट दैट इंस्टेंट, मतलब इस पॉइंट में स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल कितना है, व्हाट इज द स्पीड. So as we know that at that point, if we find that kinetic energy equal to half mv square, okay, so this is the kinetic energy, okay, half mv square. So from here we can say that v equal to 2 times of kinetic energy divided by m root under, okay. So if we put the value of kinetic energy that has been given as kinetic energy as 2 times of potential energy, if we put, then it will be root under 4 times of potential energy divided by m, okay. So that will be 2 root under potential energy divided by m, okay. So this will be the value of v. So value of v अगर हम लोग फाइंड करें, so we have also more simplify at this point, that will be potential energy. So we get that the value of potential energy is mg h by 3, okay. So that will be root under mg h by 3 divided by m. M will be cancel out, that will be root under gh by 3. So that will be the velocity, that is 2 into root under gh by 3. So our option B will be correct, height h by 3 and velocity 2 gh by 3 at this point from ground h dot, okay. So ground से h dot ऊपर में जाके जो velocity होगा that will be equal to this, okay. Next question we can consider.